Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be watching XG, Something Ain't Right, choreography. But before I watch, I this in the post, so I thought it'd be a good time to open it. Let's see. Just a little one today. Ta-da! Now I already have cheeses. Where are you? There we go. Already got cheeses. Now I've got my other bias. Let's see what this one's like. Come on. Ooh. Oh, cute. There we go. Ah, focus. Two bias. Now which one am I using at the concert? Because I don't think I can fit both on elastic. Whoop whoop. Yeah, these light stick chains are so cool. The last thing I ordered from XG website was it was these two prints. I think Gloria looks amazing in Woke Up video. So sick. T-shirt. How can I forget that? And mini stuff pack. It's a little too small for me to take to work, so I've not been able to use it yet, but I will do soon. I've already tested it and the light stick can fit in it, so I think I will wear it when I go to the concert. So excited. Right, let's get into watching this video. I love this song, it's so good. Oh my god, Hamilton. Oh my god. Kokona looks so good with that hairstyle. So good. So cute. Oh my god, Renata's outfit. He's so cute. Can't with Harvey in those glasses. When do they ever miss with choreography or songs? I mean, every time they release a song, I'm thinking, oh, but it always hits. They do not have a bad song. I don't think it's possible for XG to make a bad song. And I am so excited for the album, so excited to see them in concert. I have got VIP, so I'm really excited, even though I'm going by myself, but I went to see Twice by myself and I had the best time, so I'm sure seeing XG is going to be just as good. And that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye guys.